Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and most merciful, the Excellencies of Hanifida and Hanifida as Director of Hanifida Islamic Boarding School, the Honorable the Guardian, especially Ms. Rifki as Minister of Hanifida's Immigration Map, and the respectable my parents, my mom and my dad, and all. Don't forget to all of my friends. Today, I'm Hanifida, a student of 12th grade from Larai, a student from 12th grade of Hanifida Islamic High School with a presentation about sneezing part 2. Yeah, type of sneezing. So, many as episode before we have many different type of sneezing, such as friendly sneezing with a loud sound and sneezing quite as like asthma. Somebody looks to suppress their sneeze and keeping them internal. So a type of sneezing is depending from the type and amount. So other reasons of the sneezing is come from sensitivity of images and allergies. And if you sneeze multiply, that means your body didn't get rid of out of allergens or something like that, and your body is still working. So, etiquette of sneezing: you use your tissue and cover your nose and your mouth, and then sneezing. After that, you dispose it and wash your hand. Or if you have no tissue, you can use your upper sleeve to cover your mouth. And etiquette of sneezing in Islam. After you sneezing, you pray to Allah, say Alhamdulillah, and if have the others will answer Yarhamukallah or Yarhamukillah, and the person who's sneezing or you will say Yadina wa yahdikumullah or Yadina wa yusri barakum or yahdikumullah. Okay, that's all of my presentation. I hope it's beneficial for you and for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.